professional X creators find viral topics on X. Now, to do that, let's dive in. So go ahead and open your X application. Once you have this open, this is the home page. Now, the place you are going to go to is to click on this magnifying glass. Click on that and then allow it to load up. Now, once this is loaded up, you can go to the trending area. And then from the trending area, this is actually trending, right? But this is based on your previous search. To actually dig deep more, click on global trend. Now on the global trend, you are going to be able to see everything that is trending on X within the last 24 hours. So then you can actually post things or make things that way. And also if you look on this top area, everything you see on this top area are the keyword or the things that are actually trending in the short period of time. You can swipe to see even more. There are so many more of it. And apart from that, you can actually scroll down to see what is actually most popular today. And this is currently the most trending one. Scroll down even more to see a lot more of them. Now, if you are not satisfied or you want to dig deep down, you can actually either select sports, meme, celebrity, news, gaming, cryptocurrency, and so much more. And apart from that, if you want to also narrow this down to a particular country, you can click on this global or this globe icon right here. It's going to drop down and then you select other US states, United States, and it's going to show you what is actually trending on the United States, and you can scroll and see all of them. You can still click and to select other country if you choose to. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I'm going to see you on the next video.